Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a header into a Microsoft Word document, right? So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word document open up here. Now, to open up your header tab, there's two ways you can open up your header and your footer tab. The first way and the quickest way to do that, just come to the top of your document where I am here and then double click it. And then as you can see, your header has been opening up. And then once you scroll down, this is your footer. So you open up your header and your footer right there. Now, if you are having trouble double clicking, you can, let me just cross this off. As you can see, you are on your home tab. Now you can come to your insert, and then just as you can see this tab here, there is this header and then there is footer. So if you want to add a header, just click on header and then you can click on edit header, right? Click on there. Now as you can see, your header has been opening up and then your footer as well. So you can add whatever you want to add on here, right? So you can even write text. This is just a header. This is just a header. You can add it on there. You can even style it if you want to. You can style it and then maybe censor it and then you can bold it, right? So this is just your header. You got that, and then you can even add that to your footer as well. This is your footer, and then you can do the same. This is just right a footer, right? You can do that and then you can style it as well, bold it and then center it, right? You can do that. Now once you are done adding whatever you want to add to your footer, you can just cross it off, come to design and then just cross it off, right? As you can see, it's now in your header and then it is in your footer, right? So you added your header and footer to your document right there. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.